What is up, you guys? It is me, Tanishia, and I am back with another video. Hey, girl. Hey. And you don't even have to ask because y'all already know where the wig is coming from. My girls. Because what? Every time she right, we gonna stick beside her. And so far, they've been getting it right. So let's see if they have gotten it right with this girl right here. This is Love Me Hair's NatureMAX 200 Density Deep Wave Glueless 13x6 HD Lace Wig. This is a Flexi Drawstring Wig. Y'all know these are our favorite girls right now because we like to put our hair up in a good ponytail. But this is the wig. Get into those deep, nice, pretty waves here. We are already parted in the middle. We may or may not keep that. We will have to see. And let's get into this cap. Now, we already know basic cap construction. We have our band that is in the inside of our silicone strip right here. We have our combs 1, 2, and 3. None of them are removable, so you can, wait, lies. I lied. These two are removable per usual, so you can take these two combs out if need be, but we are leaving those today. Our band, always look for your band in the box. She will always be there. If she is not there, contact customer service. Regular, degular, smegular stuff. Pre-cut, already for us. Knots are already pre-bleached to, I wouldn't say perfection, but we're pretty close, okay? So we are already pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-everything, so you ain't got to do it. When putting this wig on, we are going to flip her inside out like we usually do. Y'all know, if you're new here, we flip our wigs inside out over here to put them on because when we are doing it by ourselves, this is the easiest way. Make sure our adjustable band is in there. Every girl should have their adjustable band in their wig unless their head is extremely huge. And I hope that's not the case for you. But if it is, still use your band because she helps hold this wig on to keep the glueless in effect, okay? So flip your wig inside out. Make sure your lace is at your forehead. Your adjustable drawstring is facing towards the back. And you are going to put her on just like this. I like to adjust my band while I have it in this section, in this position, not section. Sorry, y'all. I like to adjust my band while I have it in that position. Go ahead and pull my wig down. I do not hook my comb yet because I like to see what adjustments that need to be made as I am looking at my wig. This is the best time to look and assess your wig. See what position you want it in, as far as how far up you want it, how far back you want it, how you want your ear tabs to lay around your ears. But get into this. This is pretty. This is very, very pretty. I like the texture of this. This is giving nice and fluffy. We might got some on our hands here, girls. We might have something on our hands. Get into that lace. See how that is laying. And I might have to go no bald cap per usual because the bald cap is sliding again. I don't like to glue my bald caps down. And that might work. I don't like to glue my bald caps down because at the end of the night, I do not want to have a fuss and a fight with my wigs because this is glueless. So we get to take her off and put her on as needed, as we like, because that's what it's for. Save our edges, save our hair. It's just something for us to look good for the time being. Now that I have looked at it, I do see where I need to cut around my lace area. I do have a few videos. The last couple of videos on my channel shows how I do that. I am going to go off camera and go ahead and get that done. If you don't know how to do that, go check out the last video or the video before that or the video before that one. Anything that you see a 13x6 wig or a 13x4 wig, get that information from there. That shows you how to cut from this flexi drawstring wig. All right, so I have fixed my ear tabs right on this side. As you can see here, my ear now is flawlessly laying there. The wig is not over on my ear, pushing my ear down or anything. And that is what you want when you are looking to have a comfortable wig. So sometimes you do have to do adjustments. Even me, wigs don't come perfect. If you think that everything just comes perfect straight out of the box, you are delulu. You are not welcome here. Please exit stage right. All right. So we keep it real over here. You will have to do a little bit of a TLC when it comes to getting your wig how you want it to suit you, because the wig is universal. The wig does not come one size fits all. It does not come that way. That is the realistic explanation to all of this. You do. Every wig, any company, you do have to do your own TLC when it comes to your wigs. Whether it's an influencer getting them, they have to do a little TLC. Whether it's you on the other side getting them, you have to do a little TLC. You have to do a little TLC, all right? All right. Now, I am told that this is a 24 inch. Yes, 24 inches. So I am told that this is 24 inches. This is where 24 inches stops on me. I do have, okay, this is my belly button, okay? I'm showing you guys my belly button. I am only barely about to reach 5'4". Not a tall girl. Not a tall girl at all. I'm pretty average. So this is where it stops on me stretched. This is 24 inches stretched. As you can see, this is the hair here. 24 inches when it pops up, because it is a curly wig. Mind you, listen to what I said. 24 inches stretched. Because it is a curly wig, it's going to show a little shorter, and that is normal. This wig is 200 density. So we are going to turn around here. This is what 200 density gets us. All of this beautiful, bouncy, curled hair, or wavy hair. We're not even going to say curl. Wavy hair. This is what 200 density looks like with this wig. All right. This is the back of it. This is all the hair pulled back. No hair is still left in the front. If I did decide that I wanted to pull my hair to the front, this is what it would give in the back. So just for the record, this is what you get. What you see is what you will get when you get this wig. So I do want to style this wig. I really do. I'm just trying to debate on what I want to style it like. But if you are a girl and you don't want to style it and you like this look, you can stop right here. And if you do decide to stop right here and go ahead and click that link in the comment section or the description box, make sure you use my coupon code Tanishia to get this wig, because she is lovely. Lovely and beautiful straight out of that box. But for my girlies who like to keep it going and you want to see a little bit of style, here we go. So this is a style for the girls who like to keep it cute and simple. Nothing too much. Still keeps the integrity of the curls and keeps the hair out of your face. So if you are one of those who doesn't want all that hair in your face, but you still want this length and this fullness, but not all the hair all in here, this is perfect for that. You can get a little bit of accessories and stick those down in there if you like, just to add a little oomph to it. But this is a cute style for a great everyday outdoor look, or just an everyday work look. Something cute, simple, easy to do. Flip over method is always a bonus go-to. Something that you don't have to think too much about. Just flip it over. Whichever side you like, you can just flip it and wear it on that side. I like to do my right side because my right side is my best side and I like for that side to show. But if you want to do a flip over method, that is another cute style that you can do. Now we are about to get more intricate, a little more in style. And I am going to style it off camera because it is going to take me a little bit of time. And we don't have a lot of time because attention spans get short over here. So I'm going to do a couple of styles, come back on the camera, show you the styles, and then we're going to end this video. All right? All right. So here's another option of an updo you can do if you want to show off those parts. I did 2 little buns in the front, kind of parted it on my sides to slick this part into a little bun in the back. Now I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I don't know how this look in the back, so if it look a little messed up, don't judge me. I just want to show y'all some ideas. All right, so that is another look that you can do when it comes to this wig. Like I said, this wig has options. So it's a 13 by 6. We have options. We have things that we can do with this hair to style it. And I'm feeling this one. I was gonna do more styles, but I like this one too much to switch it out. So I'm gonna leave her. And with that being said, this is the end of our video. This has come to the end of our journey. But as you can see, you can style her in any way that you like. Because look, we get parts. We got so much parting room that you can do braids, anything. As you can see, like I said, this is a kind of sim up, half down kind of style. It's not really half up, not really half down. But it's a style. So if you like everything that you see, everything will be in my comment section or in my description box. Just make sure you click that link. And when you click that link to get ready to order this wig, make sure you put in coupon code Tanishia, Tanishia, to save you a coin. Because my coupon code saves you more than a website. So that's it. That is all for me. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.